Finding an article in the library's collection requires a lot more precision than finding a book. You're probably going to start with keyword searches rather than title searches or author searches. You will then want to place in more than one keyword phrase to help the discovery tool find relevant sources for you. For instance, instead of just putting in climate change, like we did when looking for a book by keyword, you'll probably want to put in more than one keyword, especially because there's probably something a lot more specific you want to know about climate change. For instance, if you're looking for information about how climate change affects the migration of birds, then instead of putting just climate change into the search bar, you might want to put in migration and birds along with climate change. And you'll want to separate those by the words and, because and helps the database determine that you are looking for results that have all of these keywords present in the title or the subject headings or the summary, and especially in the body of the article. You will get a set of results that are organized by relevance. So what is most relevant to the set of keywords or keyword phrases that you placed in the search bar? You always have the option to go back and revisit your initial search in our discovery tool. You'll see your initial search right up here in the search bar at the top of your results page. Maybe you might want to expand your set of results. In this case, you could come up with a synonym for one or more of the keywords or keywords phrases that you initially used and add or between the initial keyword and its synonym. For instance, you might want to use global warming as a synonym for climate change. So you can go back to the beginning of your search and put in or global warming and then click search, and you will see that you get a few more options than you initially had. So we added around 4,000 results. You are expanding your set of results using or. So it's important to remember that when you place or between two keywords or keyword phrases, you are expanding your search. And when you place the word and in between two keywords or keyword phrases, then you're narrowing your search. Once you've determined what keywords you want to use, then you can always further refine your search using the refining categories over on the left side of the screen. You're already limiting your search to full text, meaning that you can read each of the results right now. You have the option to limit to nothing but peer-reviewed sources. You can alter the period of time in which you want your search results to have been published. You can choose different source types, different subjects, different publishers, different publications, different languages, different geographical areas in which the research was focused, certain publication years, or even different content providers. Each of these will refine or narrow your set of results. For instance, we have over 400,000 results right now, but if I limit to strictly peer-reviewed resources, we're going to narrow our search down significantly. You can see now we have over 40,000 instead of 400,000. And you can further choose different types of refining factors. I can also change this publication date range from 1852 to 2020 to something a little more modern. For instance, 2010 to 2020. So everything that I get in my search results will have been published within the last 10 years. And you can see we've further refined the set of results here. Those are just certain things you can do. You can use as many refining options as you'd like.